Hello, Ms. Hardy. I'm here to explain my ideas for the 21st century skills that tie into digital literacy and the ISTE standards for teachers. And here's my list of ideas. So first, I think it's good to have good communication between your students together and the teacher and students. And a good way to have communication outside of the classroom is maybe start some sort of teacher and students chat, so they can chat if they have questions together, like a group me chat, and they can just talk about the work. If they all have questions, they can all work together. And another idea is a email. And if you know how to work an email, you can also teach your students how to work an email, and they can ask questions outside the classroom and use their online tools to communicate with you, so you can respond to them quicker and help them learn faster. So another point is critical thinking, and it's good to teach students multiple ways to learn, because I may learn a different way than the other, and you should show them both ways to teach the kids, because it's important to make sure they understand what critical thinking is, and like looking at problems in multiple different ways, and that can totally enhance their learning ability. Another thing that is really important in the classroom is collaboration, and having students work together. You can bring lots of new ideas to the classroom and more different types of thinking together. And some good ways to use collaboration in the classroom is to maybe do like more projects and do like online projects, like have them work on building slideshows together for a topic and working together, and they can all use their critical thinking together and their collaboration together, and also be using digital literacy and their online tools. Another thing is creativity, which being creative in the classroom is super important, because if the students see you being creative, then they're going to want to be creative too and get your creative ideas and interpret that into their own classroom work. So some creative things is showing them how to use web stuff and creating your own lesson plans and using your own lesson plans in action, and showing them that they can invent and make their own things throughout the classroom too, just like using more projects to use creativity, and using their imagination is super important. Having laptops and like iPads in the classroom is super 21st century, and it can have the students just be able to look something up super fast, super quick, and that would tie into everything, and they could be more creative being able to have the resources and tools they need. So these are just some brief ideas that I have for this, and I think using all of these 21st century skills is super important, and they can help you and many other teachers in the classroom. Thank you. I hope you like my ideas.